Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this iSeeker 4K dashcam. This is a car front and rear Wi-Fi operated car camera system with a 32GB SD card included. We have 4K resolution plus 1080p dual dashcam with 2.99 inches IPS display. App control, night vision, G-sensor, loop recording, 24 hours parking mode. Wow, that's all state of the art. This dashcam records simultaneously with the front and the rear camera. The front camera captures with 3840 to 2160p at 30 frames. The rear with 1920 to 1080p at 30 frames with a 170 degrees viewing angle at the front and 160 degrees at the rear. It covers 5 lanes. It offers a WDR night vision and an aperture of 1.8 for clear shots in low light. This is ideal for everyday use. And with the hardwire kit, the dashcam detects vibrations while parking and automatically starts to save the recording until the event ends. Time-lapse mode provides a continuous monitoring and provides a compressed overview of all events during the parking time. If we need the free kit, we have to contact support@iSeeker.com. The dashcam has an advanced sensor, an 1.8 aperture, a 6-layer lens, and a WDR technology that increase the light absorption and compensate the exposure, so that clear and stable images are taken at night or in tunnels. Of course, you have to note, this is not a specialized night vision device, but it's sufficient for a daily use. The G-sensor detects sudden collisions and automatically blocks relevant video recordings. Loop recording provides a continuous recording and overwrites the old videos when the memory card is full. It saves important videos in time to avoid overwriting. The dashcam uses the Wi-Fi 6 for a faster and more stable connection. Even if it is installed wired, we can control it conventionally via our smartphone. With the Wildure app, we can watch the live videos and download content. Wildure. This dashcam has a compact, inconspicuous design that does not disturb the driver's vision, with the 2 removable brackets for vertical and slanted windows. Installation is really easy thanks to the quick start guide and my video, of course. The camera is factory present and does not require any adjustments. The 2.99-inch IPS screen allows easy switching between the modes and effortlessly touch control. And this dashcam offers a real-time voice notification that allows inform us about the current status of the recorder. So we can drive with a clear conscience, minimize the distractions, and increase the driving safety. We can adjust the volume or disable the voice announcements function in the app settings as we like that. And you can see how easy it is with the iSeeker. Our virtual eye capturing, of course, nearly everything if we knew the iSeeker dashcam. The iSeeker is a young team with an innovative spirit. They passionately listen to as customers, with a humble heart to design sophisticated, unique, attractive, and ideal dashcams for the iSeeker fans. They are constantly iterating our products from scratch with the ultimate goal of building an iSeeker dashcam area, with drive to provide consumers with consistent and reliable production of top quality. And in this price range, it's a nice quality, I think. It's under $100 and makes an all state-of-the-art job. That's cool. That's more. That's the iSeeker 4K dashcam. It's a car front and the rear dash cam, which is Wi-Fi operated and can use 4K and 1080p dual camera system, if you like it, with 2.99 inches IPS display. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!